Good evening and welcome to 200forexpips.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 3rd of July 2018. Okay guys, I am going to talk about the few signals that are triggered as per the signals report, and I am going to start today's discussion from AUDJPY. So guys, as you can see that I have supplied the bearish trend in case of AUDJPY. The entry was 81780 and the target price was 81321. And guys, you can see that we have a very good drop on AUDJPY today right from the entry that I have supplied in the morning, and hopefully those subscribers who have taken the trades as per the recommendation, they must have taken the benefit from this bearish gap. Okay, now let's talk about Great Britain Pound JPY. Let me switch my signal to Great Britain Pound JPY. I have supplied the bullish signal from 146007 and the targeted price was 146581. However, the targeted price is not met because we have done scalping on this pair in the morning. And let me just move this line. Okay, now you can see that the market has moved up for the 4 hours and it has went up to 146353, but later on we have a drop on Great Britain Pound JPY. So if you have traded the 3 hours on Great Britain Pound JPY, then you must have booked a profit on this pair. Okay, now let's talk about the slow pair of the day. It is USD Canadian dollar. It has kept itself in a range. However, I have supplied the bearish signal from 131746 and the target price is 131095. That can go during the US session, but however we have a drop up to 131345, but still it's below the entry 131746. So guys, please note that until unless the market keeps its level below that 131746, then it will be in the bearish zone and we can expect further bearish opportunities on the pair. Okay, now let's talk about the decent momentum that we have seen today on Great Britain Pound USD. A very easy signal, a bullish signal was supplied from 131496 and the target price was 131936, and you can see right from the entry we have seen a significant upward trend and it has hit the 131936 target price within 4 to 5 hours time frame. So if you have traded this pair, then you must have got a very good number of profits. And one more thing about New Zealand USD, I have also supplied a bullish signal in case of New Zealand USD. That's also 100% met. 067126 was the entry and 067528 was the target price, and you can see that right from the entry we have seen the significant upward momentum and the market has reached up to the target price in the last 2 hours. So if you have traded this one, then you must have got a very good number of profits. At last guys, I'm going to talk about Euro USD. The signal is closed at my end, but still the signal stays valid because it hasn't break the entry yet. So guys, if it breaks 116427, you can see the level is already drawn on my chart. So I'm giving this signal for free here, and the target price is 115912. If during the next session, if the market breaks 116427, then it will be in a bearish zone and you can take the sell positions on this pair. So guys, this is all about the today's analysis. Moreover, for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. Sell in the top red boundary with confirmations. Like you can see here on Euro USD, we have seen the significant downward trend and the market is down, and when the pair comes into the lower red boundary, you can take your buy positions, and this is how we use the trading system. So guys, if you're looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get the trading system that we have just discussed, if you want to get the video lessons from me so that you can improve your trading, and if you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, then please send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.